Hello everyone, welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to download the Open Enquiry report in Fresa application. Initially, we have to log into Fresa application. After your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now, go to the Customer Service module. Here, we have to select the Pricing Dashboard menu under the Customer Service module. Now the pricing dashboard will be opened on the screen. Here we have to enter the required details. Then we have to click on the submit button. Now we have to click on the open enquiry report menu. If we want to download the details, here we have to click on the options menu. Then we have to click on the download button. This is how to download the open enquiry report in Fresa application. Thanks for watching.